Hello everyone. So in our last video we saw how we connected our post wishlist API into the Android project. So one thing we need to do now is to tell the user that this property is already added, and we can change the cache copy button so that it doesn't convey a wrong message that since it's already added, still we are telling it to add it to his list. So one thing we can do is add one boolean, like for this user this wish list is already created. So how we can do is let's go to our property, and whenever we call get, in that place we have to add that value. So one thing we can do is in wish list. Okay, so how we will do it, first of all we need the wish list collection. So let's add that. Now whenever we do a get, so we also get this one. How to do this? Okay, yeah. One thing we can do is we have our property list anywhere with us. Okay. Okay. So if user is empty and this is also empty, we get all the property details. But do we send user ID in get as well or not? I don't see it here. Okay. If we go send it, on how, in what basics we will get that. Okay. Okay, we will be needing it, otherwise we will not be able to find like okay. The user ID. Okay. Now what we have to do is okay, doc we added. One more thing we can do is doc is dot property is in wish list is equal to self dot wishlist collection. Okay, not this. I guess yeah. Get document self dot wishlist collection. Then yeah, keys dot wishlist class wishlist ID is not this. We skog skog okay so this is skog figures is using this list sorry if it is none then that means it is not present. So let's not. Okay, so we have all the giggles because giggles okay. Now same way we have to do it for all this. Okay. Is in this list. Okay, so how to guess we can use our postman clicks. Sorry, we can use the postman for this. Okay, so we only have one, so what we can do is use right here. We can pass anything. Okay, let's pass this and see if we have that giggles or not. Okay, using this list grow. Using necklace false. Okay. So we are getting this value. Okay. I think we only need this. We don't need the whole wishlist details. That will not make sense. Yeah, we can send it in our get wishlist property when we hack it. Yeah. So as you can see, we are able to see, like check basically if that property is added into the current user wishlist. One thing we need to change it user ID basically. Okay. I guess that's it for this video as well. It's a very short video, but yeah, it was a good one to know where the changes were required basically. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe for the next part where we'll be making this change into our Android project. Thank you.